brothers, dear comrades, it is a pleasure for me that I am here with you. And I am ready to inform you and to tell you about some challenges in Europe, which the situation in Europe for the workers and not only for workers, it has consequences for your area and for your working class. For example, you know that the monopolies and multinationals in Europe, they try to push all the people to have electricity automobiles. Of course, their main reason, it is their profit. And because of this, from the governments, from all governments of Europe, under the direction of European Union, they pay one small percent as gift for the people if they will buy the new cars with electricity power. Of course, because of this, they created big problems, not only in the countries from Asia or from other continents, but also for the industry and for the workers in Europe, because many factories, they close, and today the unemployment percent grow up, and also because of all of this situation, the poverty, it is grow up for the workers also in Europe. Because of this, we are together with all of you, and we support your efforts that the new technology and the new changes in all levels and in all sectors will be for the benefit of workers, not only for the benefit of multinationals and for the monopolies. The second...
No, the government insists for compensation or re-employment, then corporate will dictate the terms. If you are not accepting our terms, then we will switch over to another.
Yes, the governments, all governments in Europe, they are under the pressure of the big owners, the big capitalists. And if the capitalists, they want to change all the cars in all countries to renew, because for them, for the capitalist companies, they will have new profits. Every 10 years, for example, they prepare plan for the new cars. This is a very concrete plan for their benefits, for their profits. And because of this, they create big problems for the countries as India, as other areas, especially for Asia. This is the reality. Now, about the artificial intelligence, you know, we as class-oriented trade union movement, as militant unions, we are in favor of new technologies. But our position, our demand, it is that we need to use the results of new technology not only for the benefit of profits of multinationals, but at the same time, for example, for our benefits, for the benefit of ordinary people, to have, for example, better work, better salaries, better conditions in workplaces, to have more free time, to have better situation for our families. we want to tell openly that the new technology, it is not enemy of the working class, but at the same time, it is not the element which through this we will solve all our problems. We need to struggle because we are support, we are in favor, but in favor to use for the benefit of our life, not only for the benefit of the profits of multinationals and monopolies. 10 of December, next week, we are going to organize international trade union symposium with the topic, this topic, especially artificial intelligence. More than 60 unions from 60, they will participate from all continents. In this, it is our discussion, and we are ready to open inside in the base of trade union movement this topic and to discuss and to inform the ordinary people, the workers. We believe that if we struggle through our targets, through our views, we need to use artificial intelligence for our better life, better present and better future. This is our position about this very contemporary topic.